Hi, Sarah here. I'm back with another haul video. This is the Mind the Scrap January kit. This will go up hopefully just after the December one because I just did not get anything done over Christmas. It was just far too busy. And yeah, so hopefully I'll get back into crafting now. So without further ado, I'll show you what I got. So first off, as always, I have 5 pieces of black cardstock, as I do love to do my layouts on black instead of white for a bit of a change. So I have 5 of them there first off. Now in the actual main kit we have 2 black cardstocks and 1 white. And then for our papers, wow, there's some really interesting colours here. This one, it's like I've not seen this colour in scrapbooking for a long time. It's Vicky Bouton Storyteller, and this one's called Mosaic, and this side is like an aubergine. It's really pretty. Apologies if you can hear my little boy in the background. And then this side is this lovely vintage design. It's so pretty. Next we have Crepe Paper Marigold. This one's called Sweet Sunshine. And this side is like got a ginghamy, is it gingham? Tartan kind of pattern. And then this side, ooh, I love that. It's a soft like china blue. And then a more almost like navy in this lovely ditzy floral. Next we have Cocoa Vanilla Studio, and this is Legendary Collection. And this one is called Braveheart. And I'm loving all these blues because I have boys, so I do like it when there's blues and greens in kits. This one's called Braveheart. It's this lovely painty background on that side, and then this side's got lots of little triangles with little highlighted ones in green, orange and pale blue. The rest are all navy. Next, from Crepe Paper Marigold, again we have this cut apart sheet here with lots of journaling spots there. And then if you don't like that, then there's a lovely big piece of this really rich emerald green with a pretty pattern on there too. And that paper's called Remember When. Next, ooh, that one's awesome. From Vicky Bouton Storyteller, this one's Bohemian. Again, it's got loads of this unusual purples. Well, not unusual, but unusual for scrapbook collections. They tend to steer clear of purple in general. I'm so pleased that it's appearing more so. And the reverse has this beautiful painty effect with lots of distress areas, and there's faded text on there too. Lots and lots of lovely detail on that. You could use that as a full background, would work wonderfully. And finally, our last paper is from Cocoa Vanilla Merry and Bright. This one's called Starbrite, and we have some stars in the same colours as the rest of the papers, in like navies, pinks, green, and it's just like pretty star clusters all the way up. And then the reverse is a gingham in green as well. And that is the main kit papers. If you get the paper add-on, you get the black, 2 blacks, white, and then these papers. I'll just flip them over for another look at the other side. I'm loving that colour combination. So as well, in the main kit we have some embellishments. First off, we have from Pink Fresh Studios Days of Splendour, we have these puffy letter stickers in a lovely scripty italic font. We also have from Crepe Paper Marigold some lovely floral ephemera, and there's gold foil vellum with gold foiling on it, as well as some black and white images there as well. And I'll just show you a quick close-up of those from the packaging. So you can kind of get an idea from that there. We also have some nice big chunky frames. These are Simple Story Hello Today chipboard frames, and there's 6 frames in here. So I'll show you again the back so you can get an idea of what they look like. And then at the front you can see the size of them. There's some really nice big ones in there. So that is the main kit. Next up I have the embellishment add-on, and this one contains these phrase and embellishment thickers. This one is called Lovely, and it's a soft matte gold finish, not shiny, if that makes sense. And it's double-sided, lots of pretty floral embellishments as well as some phrases there. We also have some decorative brads here as well from Simple Stories Hello Today. So just quickly give you a bit of a look at those. As well as that, finally in the embellishment add-on we have these beautiful velvet bows, super cute. And there's 4 of them in the pack. They're from Crepe Paper, Maggie Holmes Marigold collection. And hopefully you can see the texture of them through the glare of the plastic. They're so pretty, and they work so well with these colours as well. So there's those, and that is the embellishment add-on. Next up I'll show you the Bougeot. First off, in the Bougeot kit we have these beautiful holographic thickers. I don't know, it's picking it up a little. And these ones are called Old School. And we have some numbers on there as well. We also have these die cut titles from Cocoa Vanilla Studio. From the Midnight collection. You get an idea of the size of them there. So there's those as well. Our paper pad this month is the Crepe Paper Marigold. This is a 6x8 inch one, 24 sheets, and they are single-sided. So I'll quickly open this up and give you a look. So there's also gold foiling in this pad from the look of the outside. So we've got some cut apart, some mustardy yellow, a lovely gold foil one there, some bows, cameras, black and white, lovely constellation also has gold foiling on. And this beautiful piece there you could literally just do a card with. Oh, baby's awake. I'll quickly just flip through these. He is with his daddy, so hopefully he'll be alright. He's probably just woken up. So that is the paper pad with the Bougeot kit. And finally with the Bougeot kit we have 2 sheets of A4 vellum, which comes in super handy. I'm very low on vellum. I do like to use it to add embellishments, cut out butterflies, things like that. So we also have that vellum there, and that is the Bougeot kit. And finally, very exciting, we have the mixed media kit. So first off we have this lovely big palette here, which is perfect especially for the inks, the dropper inks. I think this one came in the most recent one, so you can put a little drop in there and then water it down so you can create a deeper red or a pink. So that's going to come in really handy. As well as that we have some, I love these resist cards. I love using resist cards. There's lots here, really nice big ones. These are 6x6, there's 12 of them, and they've got die cut pieces as well as the resist If you can see there, that's where the resist would go. And here's a quick look at what they're like on the back. There's a beautiful floral one on there as well. Some arrows, some dots. So you get a bit of an idea there of what's in there. And then finally, in the mixed media kit, we have a Little Rainbow Moon handmade watercolour, which is super exciting. I spoke to Emma about Little Rainbow Moon watercolour. Sorry if you can hear the stairs in the background as well as my rustling. And I do love Little Rainbow Moon paints. I have quite a few. This one is called Midnight Amethyst, so I'll do a little swatch of this and show you what it looks like. They're handmade watercolour paints, and they go a long way. It looks tiny, but there is, you know, they last a while. So I have my swatch book here, and I'll just do a little swatch of the paint. So I tend to let the water soak in a little, let it soak into that top layer, give it a little swirl around to get a nice coverage. I'll give it a go now. Apologies, I had to go and deal with life stuff. But I've just added an extra layer onto this because I didn't let the paint go into the water enough, so it was not thick enough because I want to show what the splashes are like. The splashes will behave, if you do little splashes on your page, will behave more like this side, and then if you add lots of water it's more like that side. I will have a photograph at the end so you can see what that actually looks like, because obviously in the camera it does wash out the colour quite a lot. It's actually a very vibrant purple with a lovely shimmer to it, and it's got a bit of a two-tone going on there. But yes, I'll do a picture so you can see that a bit better at the end. And so that was the mixed media kit as well, and that is everything. So thanks for joining me today. I hope to get creating with this very soon and upload some videos, so stay tuned for those. If you haven't already subscribed to me and you'd like to see some of my Mind the Scrap videos, I do have a playlist of them, and of course if you do subscribe, then when one goes live, if you do the notification bell, you'll know when I've done one. So yeah, I'll link Mind the Scrap below in the description thingy-mabob, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great evening, everyone. Bye.